Welcome to Chapter 1 of Digital Communication, Probability Theory and Random Processes. Module 4 covers different statistical values like mean, mean square value, and variance. For discrete random variable and continuous random variable, we will study how to calculate all these statistical values. First, we are studying about discrete random variable. Mean or expected value or average value. It is writing E of capital X, that is equal to X bar, that is again writing as M. M stands for mean, is equal to sigma xi into P of xi. Xi is a random variable and P of xi is a probability of the random variable. Mean square value. So random variable should be squared first. Then it is multiplied with the probability and summation, that is mean square value. Sigma xi square into P of xi. Xi square is a square of each random variable and P of xi is the corresponding probability. Mean square value is also known as average power, especially if random variable xi are the amplitudes in terms of voltage. So once we are doing that voltage square can be considered as power provided resistance is 1 ohm, that is called normalized power. And when you are calculating the mean of that square value, that is average power. So mean square value is going to be taken average power in our digital communication system. Third statistical value is variance. That shows the variation from the mean value, that is expected value of x minus m square, and that is again written as sigma square, that is sigma xi minus m all square into P of xi. Xi is a random variable, m is a mean value, and P of xi is the probability of the random variable. Positive square root of mean square value is root mean square value, that is RMS value, and positive square root of variance, that is sigma, is called standard deviation. Now I'll show the relationship between variance, mean square value, and mean. Expected value of x minus m the whole square, that is expected value of x minus m the whole square is equal to, here x minus m the whole square, that is a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here expected value of x square plus m square minus 2 into m into x. This can be written as expected value of x square plus m square is a constant. So expected value of constant is same constant only, that is only m square. 2 is constant, m is constant. So 2 into m into expected value of x. So expected value of x square plus m square minus 2m square. Finally, it will be expected value of x square minus m square, where m is a mean value, expected value of x square is mean square value. So the relation is variance is equal to mean square value minus square of mean. For many numerical calculation, variance can be calculated using mean square value and mean without much difficulty. I am showing an example here. Random variable xi minus 1, 0, 1, 2, corresponding probability 0.3, 0.1, 0.2 and 0.4. First we are calculating expected value of x, that is a mean value, that is sigma xi into P of xi. Xi random variable, that is minus 1 into its probability 0.3 plus 0 into 0.1 plus 1 into 0.2 plus 2 into 0.4. Random variable into probability plus random variable into probability plus random variable into probability plus fourth random variable into probability, that is 0.7. Second statistical value, expected value of x square, that is sigma xi square into p of xi. So random variable is squared into probability. So minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 0.3 plus 0 square into 0.1 plus 1 square into 0.2 plus 2 square into 0.4, that is 2.1. Third statistical value, variance, expected value of x minus m the whole square, that is sigma xi minus m square into p of xi. Xi is a random variable, that is minus 1 minus mean value. Mean is already calculated, 0.7. So minus 1 minus 0.7 square into probability 0.3. 0 minus 0.7 square into probability 0.1 plus 1 minus 0.7 square into probability 0.2 plus 2 minus 0.7 square into probability 0.4. So that will be 1.61. But instead of doing this calculation, variance can be determined from mean square value and mean value. That is 2.1 minus 0.7 square. Variance is equal to mean square minus square of mean. So that way also the variance can be determined. Now for continuous random variables, again mean is equal to expected value is equal to average value is equal to E of x is equal to x bar is equal to m is equal to, instead of sigma sign, use integral sign. Instead of p of x, use probability density function, that is f of x. Because for continuous random variable, probability is not defined, only PDF is defined. So integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. That's for mean calculation. Now for a mean square value, that is expected value of x square is equal to, random variable should be squared, minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x dx. Again here also, like the previous case, mean square value is considered as average power. Third statistical value, variance, expected value of x minus m the whole square, that is sigma square is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x minus m the whole square into f of x dx. F of x is a probability density function, x is a random variable, m is a mean value. But instead of doing this calculation, variance can be determined from mean square value and mean. Variance is equal to mean square value minus square of mean. Previously I said about RMS value and standard deviation. Positive square root of expected value of x square is root mean square value, that is called RMS value, and positive square root of sigma square is standard deviation sigma. Showing an example for continuous random variable. A random variable is uniformly distributed over 1, 5. Find mean, mean square and variance values. This is a continuous random variable because random variables are written from 1 to 5. It's a continuous range. And due to uniform distribution, PDF is equal to 1 upon range of random variable, that is 1 by 5 minus 1, that is 1 by 4, ranging from 1 to 5 and is equal to 0 elsewhere. So once the probability density function is defined, mean, mean square and variance can be calculated. Mean m is equal to general expression minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. Here the range is 1 to 5. So integral 1 to 5 x into probability density function is 1 by 4 dx. So the answer is 1 by 4 into integral of x is x square by 2, 1 to 5. So it's 1 by 8 into 5 square minus 1 square. Answer is equal to 3. Mean square value, that is expected value of x square, integral minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x dx, that is a general expression for mean square. Here integration from 1 to 5 x square into PDF is 1 by 4 dx. So 1 by 4 into integration of x square is x cube by 3 from 1 to 5. So 1 by 12 into 5 cube minus 1 cube. Answer is 10.33. Third statistical value, variance. Variance can be determined from this 10.33 and 3. Variance is equal to 10.33 minus square of mean, that is 10.33 minus 3 square, the answer is 1.33. From variance and mean square value, RMS value and standard deviation also can be written. RMS value is the square root of 10.33, that is 3.21, and standard deviation is a positive square root of variance, that is square root of 1.33, that is 1.15. Thank you.